Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check the oil level in this 2011 F-150 EcoBoost. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. To open a hood on your 2011 Ford F-150, the hood release is down here on the driver's side by the left foot underneath the e-brake pedal. Pull on that. And you lift it up until it hits the actual safety lock. The safety lock on this F-150 is directly below the symbol on the bottom bumper side, not the grill side. You'll have a lever right there. You're going to put it towards the driver's side and lift up. Here we have our oil fill. This is your oil cap. It is clearly marked SAE 5W30. That's the type of oil for this vehicle. You just turn it counterclockwise and it has a notch. Turn it back in. That's where you would fill the oil. And the oil dipstick is this yellow plastic handle down here. Both are located on the driver's side of the engine. So once I wipe that clean, you can see the markings. You have one dot here and one dot there. That is the lowest point the oil should be at with it cold, and it should be in between the two crosses, X marks of crosses. That's where the oil level should be safely with the engine cold. So you would wipe the dipstick, put it back in all the way down to the lock part, bring it back out and check your level. We're right in the X's. Perfect. Replace the dipstick before starting your vehicle and lock it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.